I've named my skin tag Eddie.
Hello, Eddie. How are you doing? I'm all right, thank you.
I'm all right, thank you.
Aye.
Yeah, I called him Eddie.
Eddie, aye.
Edward Eddie Ed.
Tell us what we're discussing, Jack.
So today isn't worldwide media movie news today.
Oh, I enjoyed them.
Well, we're going to do more of them, but today's isn't worldwide media.
Right.
God, that's a handful. Worldwide media movie news. Today, drum roll. Remember the multiverse?
Oh, no.
That's right, guys.
Everybody has just turned off. That's if anybody were watching.
You said that the last time.
Oh, no.
That's right, guys. We are talking about the multiverse once more. The Multiverse Saga, Part 4 out of 6.
Part 460,000.
We only did 3 of those videos. We only did 3 of those.
Oh, it feels like more.
So this is Part 4 out of 6. There's going to be 2 more parts after this video talking about the multiverse. Multiverse Saga, to see if my gran still knows what a multiverse is. There's going to be some swearing, so...
I've gone to sleep.
No, I want to have a proper debate about the multiverse like we did last...
Remind me, what is it?
A multiverse, right?
Go on.
A prison of endless possibilities or realities of different versions of Earth.
And is the one.
It's never been proven, but I like to believe there is one in some way.
And I suppose I do.
In some way,
yeah.
I'd like to believe that one exists.
The way I look at it, I think
Is a mirror image.
No, there's more than us in this old.
Yeah, but that isn't a multiverse. That's just other planets that isn't Earth. A multiverse is different versions of Earth.
Yeah, but it's still a planet.
Yeah, but Earth, not other planets.
It's
Earth.
An Earth planet.
No, it's not though. It's a branch.
A tree.
No, not a tree. But are you dumb? So they know.
Hey, what's your language?
I said there's going to be swearing, even though dumb is not a swear word.
A branch.
Yeah, you can see me dimples. Well, you can't now.
a branch.
Yeah, it's what people describe
I can
a branch.
see your jawline now.
Thank you.
1 stone in weight lost. Hard work.
It's what some people would describe as a branch, even though no one's ever seen one. But it's kind of hard to explain. It's like a dimension of different realities of Earth.
But is it out there?
Well, where else would it be?
In space?
Where else would it be?
Well, it's a planet then.
We are part of the multiverse. This is a reality like Earth 1 or something.
Right, well it's
I know this probably isn't Earth 1, but it might be like, what, Earth 6,489.
Right, but it's a planet then,
Yeah,
isn't
but
it?
planets like Neptune and Pluto, they're not part of the multiverse.
No, but there are planets out there that are that far out. God, when I start talking about planets, I start feeling dizzy.
Can I just say something?
What?
Exoplanets, like you just described, like planets that are that far out of space, like Kepler and I can't remember the other one, 21b or something. There's one called that. Most of them are called numbers.
Yeah.
Based off measurements in galaxies. But anyway, them aren't part of the multiverse. Them are just other planets.
Right.
It's different versions of Earth. Like I said, this could be Earth 1 or Earth 10 or something, or I don't know, Earth 658.
I just don't get it.
It's alternate realities of Earth.
Well,
I could be a dog in one of them. You could be a cat. Missy could be a dog again.
Yeah.
But we wouldn't know
I
it.
just want to know where it is.
In space. But in deeper than anyone's ever gone before.
If you were a dog in another one,
You wouldn't know it.
You
Stop
wouldn't
hitting
know
me
it.
with that.
you wouldn't know it.
No,
though.
you wouldn't know it yourself, right? But it would be... How can I explain it? You'd be related in some way. You'd be tethered in some way. That's the word I was looking for. You'd be tethered, like tied in some way.
So you'd be a dog called Jack.
No, I wouldn't be called Jack. You don't know. You don't know. But we would still be tethered.
You'd be a Jack Russell.
Because we'd still have like at least one blood cell that's regularly the same. You know?
Right.
It's
I don't
like
get
different.
it.
It's like we're tethered in a way. Not me and you.
No,
Different.
I just do not get it. I do not
You
get
did last
it.
year.
No, I said I did, but I didn't.
Why every time we have a debate, your answer changes. In episode
I know,
1,
but it just confuses me.
listen. In episode 1, you said I don't get it right. Episode 2, you said I'm right and I do get it. Episode 3, you said what we're talking about. Episode 4, I don't get it again.
Episode 697 is I give up, shoot me now.
I don't get how your answer changes though. It's like you'll say something like, "Oh yeah, I was lying about that just to defend yourself or something." When you know that you're wrong. You know that
Why
you're
am I wrong when I don't know what it's about? I can't be wrong.
You were wrong.
Then?
Yeah.
Well,
like
maybe.
Intensely wrong.
Maybe I just don't get it. I don't get it because if it's a planet...
But it's not a planet.
It's got to be a planet if it's floating about in space.
It's not just random Earths floating around in space.
Well, that's what I'm seeing.
It's like in deep... No one knows anyway. It's not even...
Is it a reflection?
I don't know! I'm not a scientist!
Alright, but how can you tell me that I'm wrong when you don't know yourself?
I was saying that you were wrong. You were.
How do you know I'm wrong?
Because you just assumed. I'm not assuming.
The way I see it, let me just say my part now.
Yeah.
You've got the moon and the earth.
This has nothing to do with the moon.
Shush.
There's an opposite side of the moon that's parallel. That's not a multiverse.
If there is another earth over there? No.
The moon is part of the earth.
Yeah, but it will be part of that earth as well, wouldn't it?
Which earth?
On the other side of the moon.
Back up. Let's just forget you ever said that about that there's another earth.
No, because I think it's feasible.
I mean, that could be one dimension in one multiverse. Yeah, you could be right in one of them, but you're forgetting that there are other Earths in a multiverse. Like, you could be right with that one, but, you know, there could be a planet ruled by robots or something.
Yeah, to me, this is just something where the goalposts get moved.
What does that mean?
It's... The rules change about it all the time.
What?
I don't know what a bloody multiverse is because you can't explain it.
Rules? I've just described it how other scientists have described it.
What does it say about a multiverse on there?
Look it up. I'm not stopping you with this one. You look it up. Gen up on it.
Entertained.
Yeah, I mean...
What is a multiverse?
There's no right or wrong answer, like I said last year.
According to Wikipedia, the multiverse is the hypothetical set of all universes.
Hypothetical, exactly.
Hypothetical.
Set of all together, these universes are presumed to comprise everything that They've missed words out.
Let me read it.
They've missed words out.
The multiverse is the hypothetical set of all universes. Together, these universes are presumed to comprise everything that exists. The entirety of... I have to go into a link now. Hang on. Let me just find out where I was reading. The entirety of space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. The different universe within the multiverse... I don't even get this.
Oh.
They've worded it wrong. Right.
They are wrong, Alice.
No, I didn't say they are wrong. They have described what one is, but you wouldn't get it. Explain a multiverse for dummies.
According to dummies,
Hang on.
the multiverse is
A theory that suggests our universe, bog off, is not the only one, right? Our universe, it's just different doppelgangers of our universe.
Yeah, and that's what I said.
Yeah, well, I was wrong about...
It's another Earth.
Yeah, it's another
So
Earth.
I'm right.
But there's millions, not just
right.
one other
No.
Earth.
No, there's lots of other Earths out there.
Yeah, like...
I understand that.
Trillions.
But are they in deep space?
That doesn't even justify it. They're in even deeper space.
Yeah, right. Well, I understand that.
Yeah.
There are people on them living their lives like we live ours.
Some might have people, some might have
But
aliens.
to me,
ruling
that's
the
just
planet.
another planet with aliens and what have you
But
on it.
it's another universe.
Yeah.
It's like a collection of different universes
Right.
that contains Earth. Right, let me read this again. A theory that suggests our universe is not the only one, and that many universes exist parallel to each other. These distinct universes within the multiverse theory are called parallel universes. A variety of different theories lend themselves to a multiversal to a multiverse viewpoint. Now, I did say last year, and I'm saying it again now. No one's ever proven it, so there's no right or wrong answer.
But I was, in a way, right.
Yeah, now you are.
Yeah, now you've read it. Like the picture that it shows on there, it's like Earth, 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 and Earth, and Earth. But I don't think it means that you will be a different
Yeah, there would be
thing.
different versions of you. Like you said, you believe in a parallel mirror version of Earth, don't you, on the back of the moon?
Yeah.
You believe in a parallel version, don't you?
Yeah. An opposite, a mirror.
A mirror image.
Yeah.
Well, there would be another version of me and you there.
Yeah, but
you'd be left-handed.
Yeah,
I'd be
understand
left-handed.
that. But I wouldn't be a cat.
No, you wouldn't be a cat, but in some of them you would be.
Right.
Because, like, the mirror one, it's a different variant of you.
Then, right.
It's a different version of you, like a variant of version, like what?
But why would I be different?
You are different in the mirror one.
Yeah, I'm only the opposite.
Yeah, but
I'm still.
It still
mirror
makes a
image of me.
drastic. It still makes a drastic
Right.
impact. I mean, it wouldn't just be you; it'd be everyone on the planet, and it'd be everything that
All
you
right.
see.
Well, if I was a cat and the house would be here like this, would it be like that?
I don't know.
No.
No, it's just theoretical. It's hypothetical.
Right. Well,
It's-
I'm sticking to my theory, and my theory is that it's more of an Earth on the other side of the moon that's a mirror image.
But what I'm saying is that all the billion multiverses, all the billion versions of Earth can't just be the same thing.
No.
Well, they can't, can they? Astro.